All right, hello, John. So for this video lesson, we're going to recap a few of the things we've done previously, plus also recap the We the Kingdom, the newest one, Don't Let the Darkness. We'll get up to what we did last week, just so you can remember how to play those. To start off, if you remember the Josiah Queen, the Demon song, that's a good practice to get in the rhythm. So remember, just kick, 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 kick. And then your right hand will be paired with that kick, but it'll be like a light hit. Now your left hand, a harder hit right after the right hand. You see how far back the stick goes with the right hand versus the left hand? So there's something you can practice, because that's pretty much the whole song. Let's see. Do you remember the Phil Wickham song, The Living Hope? We'll start. We'll get this recap. So remember, it's 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. And it's on the rim of the low tom. And now the kick, it's on the first beat of the first two fours. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So there's something there to remember. And then also that crazy pattern. If you keep that going, that first kick will be paired with the crash. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So the left hand, it'll go from the crash to the high tom, two lows, high tom. So it's 1 2 3 4. That's the first four. Crash with the kick. 1 2 3 4. Next four, high tom and kick. 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. This is falling on me. Okay. Okay, so we got 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Then on the next four, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. That's the last four. You just go back to the high tom. 1 2 3 4. That's why. I had a drumstick under there. Okay, so next thing we'll do, we'll get some of the parts of the I Belong to You song, just so you can remember that. At the beginning, remember 3 stick hits. That's 4 seconds to 6 seconds. And then from 16 seconds to 24 seconds, more stick hits. And then when the kick comes in, it's quicker stick hits with the kick. Kick, kick, kick. And then for the chorus, if you remember, it's the low tom and the high tom and kick. But how that starts, it's with the crash, low tom and kick. And then that bum, 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 bum. For the stick hits. After that, we go back to the crash. And now it's hi-hat close to kick, hi-hat close to kick. kick, hi-hat, close, kick, hi-hat, close. You just alternate between that. And that's pretty much all the parts to the song, because it goes back to the stick clicks and then clicks with the kick, back to the chorus. Then alternating kicks with the click. So then you go back to the clicks and the kicks, back to the chorus. You keep doing that pretty much until the end of the song. So that's all the parts to that one. On the Don't Let the Darkness, we'll recap all the way up to the first minute right here, 56 seconds actually. So at the beginning, remember 3 times of kick, hi-hat, hi-hat, kick, hi-hat, hi-hat, kick, hi-hat, hi-hat, open. And then you close it after that open. Then you carry on with that beat for a little bit. Kick, hi-hat, hi-hat. For 19 seconds. Pretend like this next one, it's the last one, this is the last one, and then open. And then the next beat, that starts at 35 seconds. Closed hi-hat, 1, 2. Remember that one? The first 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick on 1, cross stick on 3. Or if you want to hit the rim, it's a little bit easier, but how he does it, it's the cross stick. And you can line up the stick, so the bottom end of the stick, you want that about like an inch or 2 away from the rim right here. So you can see that. And then what you're going to do is just rotate your hand and your forearm and wrist to hit the stick down. And then you want the shoulder part of the stick, or that thicker part of the stick, to hit the rim on the right side. And you can keep your wrist down if you want. But this is the difference between wrist down and wrist up. You get a more fuller sound without that wrist down. You're kind of muting the snare. But if you want to, you can hit the rim just so it's easier on your wrist. So remember that first 4 right here. There it is. Okay, right here. The 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 is cross stick. The first beat is the kick. Third beat is the cross stick. Hi-hat just keeps going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you get those 4 down, now we just got to add the next 4, and then you just keep alternating between pattern 1 and pattern 2. So that was pattern 1. Pattern 2 now, we just add a kick on beat 2. So it's a kick on beat 1 and 2. Cross stick is still on 3. So we go kick, kick, cross stick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And this is pattern 2. Kick, kick, cross stick. Kick, kick, cross stick. All right, now we just got to go pattern 1, pattern 2, and then go back to pattern 1, 2, 1, 2. So just remember, there's only 1 kick on pattern 1, and that's on beat 1. On pattern 2, there's 2 kicks on beat 1 and 2. You just got to remember to alternate between those 2. So here we go with that one. All right, pattern 1 to 2. 1 kick and then 2 kicks. And then pretend this is the last one. Kick, kick. And then you end after pattern 2 with a open hi-hat kick and then close it. So just try to get that beat going, alternating 1 kick, 2 kick, 1 kick, 2 kick. And that goes on, as you can see, for 20 seconds. So quite a bit of repeating on that one. And then just right after that one, it's another open hi-hat to a closed one. And the good thing is that's the main beat for the whole song. There's just a few fills here and there. Let's see here. Yeah, we'll just stay right there for now. Just remember that closed part right there. And then at the beginning, it's just that kick, hi-hat, hi-hat. This is the second one. Third one. This is the last one. And boom. So just practice that one. Get that all the way up to 56 seconds. Just listen to that. And then really practice that kick to 2 kicks, kick to 2 kicks, and keeping that hi-hat constant. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to do it without the snare, just to get the kicks and the hi-hat going, you can just go pattern 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pattern 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pattern 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pattern 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just keep that going, and then once you get comfortable with alternating those kicks, 1 kick, 2 kick, then add the cross stick. Or for your wrist, if you want that rim hit right there. So there's that one for today. So just practice that one, and hopefully see you next week. See ya.